Well, hello. Welcome. We're going to be talking about breathing and breath and doing some experiments too, having a little fun with breath and being a little more aware of how we breathe and the fact that we can change how we breathe and change how we feel. Everybody breathes until you don't. It's not something that we have to think about, and it's a good thing because we have lots of other things to think about. So, awareness of breath is something that you can teach yourself, become more aware of, to the point where you actually use your breath to help change how you're feeling. To demonstrate this, I'd like to invite you to breathe differently and scan your body. Feel how your body feels when you change how you breathe. So first, we'll do some short, very shallow, panting almost breaths. Take a pause, scan, take an inventory of how you feel, and then we'll do some deep breaths. And then again, we'll pause and see how that feels differently. Okay? All right, let's get ready to pant. Okay. Might feel a little lightheaded. I can definitely feel that my heart's affected. I even have a little knot in my stomach after breathing like that. Take belly breaths. Even before I scanned, wow, I just feel like I've settled into the chair. I've opened up. There's a calm. And the knot's gone that was there before. So play with it. Take some time. We're used to breathing either very shallowly, just up here, or a more deep breath can be your whole lungs where you're expanding your chest. And I'd like to ask you to breathe even deeper, to really just breathe into your belly. Because that helps the lungs expand even more. You take in more oxygen. You're feeding your body more by breathing deeper. Using breath to calm is a wonderful physical intervention. And I can remember, and I know with my sons, I used the intervention of leading them through some deep breaths, deep breathing, when they were upset. And you can all relate, I'm sure, when you see a child, or even yourself, you get kind of like so upset and crying that feels like you can't catch your breath, or sometimes the fear is so much it's almost paralyzing and you feel like you can't breathe. You're just so tight. So what you do is use your hands and lead them through some real slow, deep belly breaths. Put one hand on your diaphragm, one hand on the other person's diaphragm or the child's diaphragm, and say, come on, really push my hand out. Breathe deep. Come on. It totally changes the focus. And once you get the focus change from that upset here, the worry here, and you get it on the breath, you just break that thought chain. And changing the focus from the upset to the breathing calms. There's no need to analyze the fear, to analyze the upset. You just stop it. And once you stop it, you can internalize that you have that ability to do it all the time. It's a really powerful tool. Life is good. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'll hopefully see you again soon.